Welcome back, y'all, to Texas to Court and more. Well, in this episode of my life, of my video, I am getting down and cleaning my room. It has been a much needed to do thing that I have been putting off, and it just needed to be done today. So I said, okay, even though I'm tired, the end result is going to be amazing. And what I wanted to do, the main reason for me wanting to clean my room today was because I wanted to put up my Christmas sheets on my bed. I wanted to do my Christmas sheets on my bed, take all the fall stuff down. See my cat over there being nosy. Always got to be into everything that I'm doing. But yeah, this was a much needed clean with me. My bedroom, I know it probably doesn't appear to be dirty or filthy, but if y'all could have seen all the dust and debris underneath my bed, you would understand. I didn't want to show it because it was disgusting. I swept in this video. I also did five loads of laundry on this day as well. And you can see in my face towards the end of the video that I'm just pretty much over it because I had been doing laundry all day, even though I didn't show it in the video. I had been extremely busy. I had been up and I had been trying to get my house done for Christmas, so I was trying to take all my fall stuff down, get all of that put up. I didn't show it in the video, but that's what I have been doing, taking all my fall stuff down and preparing everything for Christmas. So, yeah, we're gonna knock it out. If you're unmotivated, as I was, I had no motivation to do this video, but I wanted to get it done, and I did. I succeeded. So I hope y'all enjoy this. If you do, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Texas Decor and more on my channel. I would love to have you here and be part of the family. So let's get to it. We're just going to get into the video and proceed on with the cleaning.
she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a reputation to scratch behind that purr. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, and then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren. But while you're still a man, you better get out while you can. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like some kind of modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand.
So right here, what you're seeing is this is laundry actually that I had did probably like 2 or 3 days ago. Yeah, that long ago. I have lots of stuff, but here's my issue. I don't have hangers. I don't have enough hangers, and I don't have a lot of closet space in this house like I did in my old house. So even if I did have the hangers, I wouldn't have any room to hang them up. But what you see me doing is just hanging up the stuff that I can, separating work clothes from my regular clothes. I'm going to be taking everything out of that basket, getting that all sorted out, and here shortly in the video, guess what you're going to see me do? Dump a whole nother load of dirty clothes into that basket as soon as I get the clean ones out. I'm telling you, today is a laundry day like you wouldn't believe. Behind the scenes, you're just seeing a little tidbit of my day. I wish I had enough so y'all could, see what I actually do, like a day in a life, like from the time I get up till the time I go to bed, because I literally never stop. Don't ever stop. So yeah, I'm just getting all those folded, put away, so that I can make room to put the dirty clothes back in that basket.